Welcome to our online class. So before we start, I want you to get your book and open it on page 62. Again, please get your English book and open it on page 62. Our lesson for today is about the things that we like doing. So first is we are going to read the vocabulary words. So please follow me after I'm going to read. So teacher will read first and then you follow after. Okay, so let's start. We have here having a barbecue. Again, having a barbecue. One more time, please. Having a barbecue. Having a barbecue. Next, taking photos. Again, taking photos. One more time, please. Taking photos. Next is going skating. Again, going skating. All right. Next is going shopping. Again, going shopping. Going to the zoo. Going to the zoo. Again, going to the cinema. So now, let's read one more time. So first is, I'm going to show you the pictures and you are going to read after me. Okay, so let's start. First is having a barbecue. Very good. All right, next, taking photos. Okay, again, taking photos. Okay, very good. Now, next, we have going skating. Again, going skating. All right. Next is going to the zoo. Again, going to the zoo. Next is going shopping. Going shopping. All right. Next is the going to the cinema. Again, going to the cinema. Okay, very good. So now let's review one more time the things that I like. Having a barbecue. Can you please read one more time? Having a barbecue. Taking photos. Taking photos. Going skating. Going skating. Going to the zoo. Going to the zoo. Going shopping. Going shopping. Going to the cinema. Going to the cinema. All right. So now let's ask the question. But before that, let's learn first the days of the week. What are the days of the week? What are the 7 days of the week? So we have the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Again, what are the 7 days of the week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So now, let's ask a question. So since we already know what are the activities that we learn, what are the activities that we do each day? So let's try this conversation about what do you like doing on Sundays? Not just only Sundays, but we can also ask, what do you like doing on Mondays? What do you like doing on Tuesdays? What do you like doing on Wednesdays? And what do you like doing on Thursdays? What do you like doing on Fridays? And what do you like doing on Saturdays? So like for example, if I would say, I like watching TV on Sundays. I like going exercise on Tuesdays. So that is what are these are the things that I like doing on each day. So now let's start. Like for example, what do you like doing on Sundays? So here we have, I like painting pictures on Sundays. So if you like drawing or painting, so you will say, I like painting pictures, and these are the days of the week. Okay, each days of the week. You like painting pictures on Sundays. You like painting pictures on Mondays. You like painting pictures on Tuesday. You like painting pictures in Wednesday. You like painting pictures on Thursday. You like painting pictures on Friday. Or you like painting pictures on Saturday. So you will just say, what are the things that you like doing on each day? Okay, so now let's look at the picture. The first picture is, what do you call this one? What this picture? Okay, this is the having a barbecue. So now let's ask a question. What do you like doing on Mondays? Can you please read? I like having a barbecue on Mondays. Again, can you please read? Follow after me. I like having a barbecue on Mondays. Okay, very good. So the question there is, what do you like? So since we are using you, so you are going to answer with I. I like having a barbecue on Mondays. Okay, another question. What does he like doing on Mondays? So our subject here is he. So what do you like doing? So since this is a boy, so we are going to say he. He likes, again, what does he like doing on Mondays? He likes, all right, very good. He likes having a barbecue on Mondays. Okay, again, he likes having a barbecue on Mondays. Very good. Now, let's go to the next slide, which is, what do you call this one? Taking photos. Again, one more time. Taking photos. Okay, very good. So now, answer the question, what do you like doing on Tuesdays? What do you like doing on Tuesdays? You say, I like taking photos on Tuesdays. One more time, please. I like taking photos on Tuesdays. Okay, very good. So now, so since this is a boy, we are going to use the he. All right. So the question is, what does he like doing on Tuesdays? Again, what does he like doing on Tuesdays? All right, so let's say he likes. Okay, very good. He likes taking photos on Tuesday. Again, one more time. He likes taking photos on Tuesday. Very good. All right. So now let's continue. Okay. Next slide is look at the picture. What are they doing? What do they like doing? Okay. It is playing football. All right. So now, what do you like doing on Wednesday? Again, what do you like doing on Wednesdays? So you say, can you please read? I like playing football on Wednesday. One more time. I like playing football on Wednesday. Very good. So now, since there are many, there are 3 people. So let's ask question using the day. What do they like doing on Wednesdays? Again, what do they like doing on Wednesdays? All right, so now let's read. They like on Wednesday. Again, they like playing football on Wednesdays. All right, very good. So now look at the picture. The question here. What do you like doing on Saturdays? Okay, what is this picture all about? Going to the zoo. Again, going to the zoo. So now, let's ask question. What do you like doing on Saturdays? I like going to the zoo on Saturdays. One more time, please. I like going to the zoo on Saturdays. Very good. So now the next question is, okay, so what do they like doing on Saturday? Again, what do they like doing on Saturday? Can you please read? They like on Saturdays. Okay, very good. So they like going to the zoo on Saturdays. Okay, very good. So now let's do the next one. So please open your book. Look at your book on page 63. So there is an activity there. What do you like doing on? Like for example, number 1. Look at the picture number 1. Let's ask and answer. Number 1, what do you like doing on Sundays? Can you please tell me, what do you like doing on Sundays? What is this? It's going to the zoo. So you say, I like going to the zoo on Sundays. Again, please. Okay, very good. I like going to the zoo on Sundays. Very good. How about number 2? Look at the picture number 2. Okay, what do you call this? What picture is this? It's a going skating. Very good. It's going skating. So now tell me, what do you like doing on Monday? Okay, what do you like doing on Monday? I like going skating. One more time, please. I like going skating on Monday. Very good. I like going skating on Monday. Now, look at number 3. The third picture is, what do you call this one? Okay, very good. That is going to the cinema. All right. So, look at the picture and the day. What's the day? It's Tuesday. So now let's ask question. What do you like doing on, what's the day again? It's Tuesday. So what do you like doing on Tuesday? All right. I like going to the cinema on Tuesday. Again, one more time. I like going to the cinema on Tuesday. Very good. All right. Now, let's look at the picture number 4. So, number 4. What's the picture? It is taking photos. Again, one more time, please. Taking photos. And what's the day? What's the day is that? It's Wednesday. All right. It's Wednesday. So now let's ask question. What do you like doing on Wednesday? Again, please. What do you like doing on Wednesday? All right. So now let's answer. I like taking photos on Wednesday. Again, I like taking photos on Wednesday. Okay, very good. So now let's go to number 5. Okay, number 5 is, what do you like doing on, what's the day? Thursday. So what do you like doing on Thursday? So what do you like doing on Thursday? Okay, let's say I like, what's this? Going shopping. Again, I like going shopping on Thursday. Sorry. I like going shopping on Thursday. All right. And the last one is number 6. What do you call this? It's having a barbecue. Okay. Again, having a barbecue. So what's the day? It's Friday. Again, it's Friday. All right. So what do you like doing on Friday? What do you like doing on Friday? All right, let's say I like having a barbecue on Friday. Again, I like having a barbecue on Friday. All right, so now let's look at the activity at page 62. Okay, so now let's look at the page 63, sorry. It's 63. So now listen and write the numbers. Okay, open your book on page 63. So this one here below, it says there, listen and write the numbers. Okay, here, listen and write the numbers. So we are going to write the numbers. So you have already example there, number 1, which is, I like going shopping on, what's that? On Sunday. Okay? I like going shopping on Sunday. Right? So it is number 1. So now listen, number 2. Write the number 2. I like going skating on Friday. So which is that? I like going skating on Friday. So this is the number 2. Very good. Now next, number 3. Listen, number 3. I like having a barbecue on Monday. Again, I like having a barbecue on Monday. So where is having a barbecue here? All right, so this is the number 3. I like having a barbecue on Monday. Okay, and number 4. Where is number 4? Sorry. Okay, listen. I like taking photos on Tuesday. Again, I like taking photos on Tuesday. All right, so this is the number 4. Next, and the last one is, I like going to the cinema on Saturday. Again, I like going to the cinema on Saturdays. Okay, did you get it? All right. So for you to continue the activity, so let's answer the page 64. Okay, activity 5, page 64. So now look at the pictures, the words there, page 64, this one. Okay, so I have already answers here. So you are going to answer the page 64. It says there, look at 4. Okay, where is 4? So this is the activity 4, right? In page 63. On page 63. So that is the activity 4. So number 1 says there, Jenny likes going shopping on Sunday. So when you look at here on page 63, so number 1, it says there going shopping, right? And the day is Monday, right? I like going shopping on Monday. So you are going to write here, number 1, Jenny likes going shopping on Sunday. Okay? So you are going to continue to answer that on page 64 from 1 to 5. And the other one is, okay, so this one. Here on page 64, activity 6. Activity 6, which is, what does he like doing on Saturdays? Okay, so that's all for today and have a nice day. Thank you, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.